Introducing the Merkle internal latch locks. PS series for synchronized plate ejection. Let's explore the PS series latch lock construction. Take a closer look at the main components: the latch body, the retainer, and the fixed latch bar. Here, observe how the latch bar remains fixed, while both the latch body and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. During the initial stroke S1, the latch body and retainer move together. After S1, the latch bar releases the latch body to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The latch bar is mounted on the fixed, bottom clamp plate. The retainer is mounted on the ejector plate through these connecting rods. And the latch body is mounted on the A plate. Here's the mold base in action. As the mold opens, the A plate drives synchronized plate ejection, driving the ejector plates forward to complete the first stroke, S1. After S1, the A plate disengages, allowing the mold base to fully open and complete the ejection process. Here's a close-up view of the latch lock in action. Notice how it holds the A plate and ejector plate together during the first stroke. Then, the latch bar releases the latch body, allowing the mold base to fully open and eject the part.